Moderate at times, but mainly just showers, not too much lightning associated with this. This is from Tellico Village. This has been really the main stretch of the heaviest rain, just south of I-40 from Knoxville, Maryville, Loudon, about an inch in those places. Everywhere, almost, the western 2/3 of our area have seen at least a trace, but very light amounts today. Again, mostly in the valley, especially the Central Valley. A lot of the plateau and mountains are missing out today. Let's track over the next few hours. You can kind of see this batch that will just kind of work its way towards the west, start to fizzle out a little bit as we approach 8, 9 o'clock, and then about 10 or 11, I believe it should be all just about gone, allowing us for another pretty mild but cooler night than it has been. 70 right now in Knoxville and Maryville, 76 in Tellico Plains, 75 in Gatlinburg. We're already down into the 60s in some places. Kingston, Crossville, and Pikeville, all in the upper 60s there. And it's not as sticky either. That's not just the heat relief, but also that moisture relief. We're more in that comfortable category. And some of us might even get more into that drier category. This is waking up for your Monday tomorrow. A lot of us in that comfortable category, especially north of I-40. Very short-lived relief from the stickiness, though, because that sticky air does come back in tomorrow afternoon, allowing us to have at least a low-end chance for some more showers and storms. Tonight, we'll drop off just a few degrees, 66 Knoxville, Maryville, 65 from Loudon to Spring City, and some even lower 60s. Crossville at 62, Oneida at 62, and Maynardville at 65. We warm up a little bit more tomorrow, probably jumping out of the 70s to around 83 Knoxville, Loudon 84 Maryville, but even some 70s, southeast Kentucky to the Plateau, 78, Crossville 79, Barberville. I mentioned those rain chances. Let's time those out. Clouds will be mainly locked in through the morning. A lot lower rain chances tomorrow. This is going to be more isolated to spotty storms. Probably the best chances in the valley once again. But just because of that moisture increase is really what's driving this. Again, more of us stay dry than wet tomorrow. Tuesday, we do it all over again. A little bit more moisture as well. 81 from Knoxville to Loudon, 80 Tellico Plains, maybe some isolated upper 70s north and west of the Knoxville region. We'll have a little bit more increased tropical moisture. There's that stalled front that came through last Thursday, bringing us these cooler temperatures right now. You notice a few yellows and oranges coming in. This is Tuesday afternoon, and then this is overnight Tuesday into the day Wednesday. That's the highest chances, especially east of 75. We'll keep you fine-tuned on that. But about half of us, I expect, do see rain starting Monday night, Tuesday night, and going into Wednesday before we start drying out Thursday into Friday. We'll be several degrees below average until about next weekend, where we do start warming up closer to the average of 88. But we are going to have to be dodging some of those showers and storms over the next few days. Ella?
All right, thanks, Theo.